The Bermuda Triangle, a region that has swallowed planes, ships, and over 1,000 lives with no trace. Nestled in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, this enigmatic area, bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been shrouded in mystery and intrigue for decades. Its reputation as a mystery zone is as vast as the 500,000 square miles it covers. Over the years, a multitude of theories have emerged in an attempt to explain the unexplainable. Some propose extraterrestrial activity, suggesting that this area is a cosmic hotspot where alien forces manipulate and abduct. Others point to the lost underwater city of Atlantis, believed by some to house advanced technologies capable of sinking ships and downing planes. And then there are those who attribute the mysteries to magnetic anomalies that disrupt compass readings. But what if these disappearances are not just stories or theories? Let's dive into the chronicles of the unexplained disappearances. December 5, 1945, 5 Navy bombers known as Flight 19 embarked on a routine training mission. These were not novice pilots, they were experienced, skilled, and well-versed in their craft. The mission was simple. A 3-hour flight conducting bombing runs over the hens and chickens shoals in the Bahamas. But as the saying goes, the best-laid plans of mice and men often go awry. The weather was perfect, a clear blue sky with visibility for miles. As the bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, no one could have anticipated the events that would soon unfold. 2 hours into the mission, the base received the first radio transmission from Flight 19. It was Lieutenant Charles Taylor, the flight leader, sounding confused and disoriented. He reported that his compasses were not working and they seemed to be off course. Despite the clear weather, Taylor reported he couldn't see land and didn't know which way was west. The radio operators tried to guide them back, but their efforts were in vain. The last transmission received was a chilling message. "We can't find west. Everything is wrong. We can't be sure of any direction. Everything looks strange, even the ocean." Then radio contact was lost. Flight 19 had seemingly vanished into thin air. A rescue operation was quickly launched, with a PBM Mariner flying boat leading the search. But as fate would have it, this rescue mission would also be swallowed by the Bermuda Triangle. The Mariner, with its crew of 13, disappeared without a trace, leaving no signs of wreckage or debris. The largest peacetime search operation in history was launched, with hundreds of ships and aircraft combing over 300,000 square miles of ocean, but it was to no avail. In a matter of hours, Flight 19 and a rescue plane vanished, leaving behind nothing but radio silence and a mystery that persists today. The Bermuda Triangle had claimed its victims, and the enigma of Flight 19 became one of the most infamous disappearances in its mysterious history. Fast forward to 1925, the SS Cotopaxi, a large ship with a crew of 32, set sail for Havana, Cuba. This was not an ordinary journey, but rather one that would etch itself into the annals of maritime mysteries. The SS Cotopaxi, a tramp steamer known for its robustness and reliability, departed from Charleston, South Carolina on a seemingly normal day. Its cargo held 2,340 tons of coal, and the crew was in high spirits, unaware of the fate that awaited them. The ship was destined never to reach its intended port. The SS Cotopaxi vanished into thin air, or more accurately, into the deep, unfathomable waters of the Bermuda Triangle. What's perplexing about this disappearance is the absolute lack of distress signals. Ships in trouble typically send out SOS calls, but in the case of the SS Cotopaxi, the radio silence was deafening. This lack of communication was not the only oddity. No wreckage was ever found, no remnants of the ship, no debris, not even a single piece of coal from its substantial cargo. It was as if the SS Cotopaxi, along with its crew and cargo, had been plucked from the face of the earth. Theories abound about what might have happened. Some suggest a rogue wave, while others speculate about undersea earthquakes or methane hydrates. Yet, none of these theories can conclusively explain the sudden and total disappearance of such a large ship. The disappearance of the SS Cotopaxi remains a chilling reminder of the Bermuda Triangle's insatiable appetite for vessels and aircraft. It's a testament to the unpredictable and unexplainable phenomena that seem to occur within this infamous stretch of ocean. Like Flight 19, the SS Cotopaxi and its crew were swallowed by the Bermuda Triangle, leaving behind another unsolved mystery. 1948 and 1949 were not kind years for British South American Airways. Two of their Tudor IV aircraft, the Star Tiger and Star Ariel, vanished without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle, further deepening the mystery surrounding this enigmatic region. Let's rewind to January 30, 1948. The Star Tiger was en route from Santa Maria in the Azores to Bermuda. The weather conditions were far from ideal, with strong winds and turbulent seas. The aircraft made its last transmission around 3 in the morning, merely stating their position. But, when dawn broke, the Star Tiger was nowhere to be found. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or signs of the plane were ever discovered. Fast forward to January 17, 1949, almost a year after the Star Tiger's disappearance. The Star Ariel took off from Bermuda, heading for Kingston, Jamaica. The weather was clear, a stark contrast to the Star Tiger's fateful journey. The last transmission from the Star Ariel was optimistic, with the pilot reporting excellent conditions. Yet, much like its predecessor, the Star Ariel simply vanished. No distress signals were received, no debris was found. It was as if the plane, along with its crew and passengers, had been plucked out of the sky. What's perplexing is the absence of any concrete evidence. Both planes were well maintained and piloted by experienced crews. The weather, while unfavorable for the Star Tiger, was clear for the Star Ariel. Yet both met the same inexplicable fate. Could it be a coincidence? Or is there something more to this story? Theories abound, from alien abductions to time warps, but none offer definitive proof. The Bermuda Triangle continues to hold its secrets close, leaving us with more questions than answers. 2 planes 2 years apart, both disappearing without a trace. The Bermuda Triangle had claimed more victims. From Flight 19 to the SS Cotopaxi, Star Tiger and Star Ariel, the Bermuda Triangle has been a theater of unexplained disappearances. As we delve into the enigmatic tales of the Bermuda Triangle, we're reminded of the inexplicable mysteries that continue to baffle us. We've journeyed through the bewildering accounts of Flight 19, the squadron of 5 Avenger torpedo bombers that vanished in 1945, leaving no trace behind. Their disappearance remains one of the most infamous incidents related to the Bermuda Triangle, a mystery that has stood the test of time. We've also explored the curious case of the SS Cotopaxi, a ship that disappeared in 1925, only to allegedly resurface almost 100 years later. This incident adds another layer to the mystery, raising more questions than answers, and further fueling the enigma surrounding this strange stretch of sea. The Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 2 British South American Airways aircraft that disappeared without a trace in the late 1940s, also add to the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a vortex of vanishing vessels and aircraft. The lack of distress signals or wreckage from these aircraft deepens the mystery. Yet, while these disappearances remain unexplained, various theories attempt to unravel the Bermuda Triangle's secrets. Some propose that methane hydrates, a form of natural gas found in large quantities under the seabed, might be responsible. The theory suggests that if these gas hydrates become unstable, they could produce gas bubbles capable of sinking ships and disrupting aircraft. Others point to rogue waves, sudden and unexpected walls of water that can reach up to 100 feet high. These monstrous waves could easily overwhelm even the most robust ships, possibly explaining some of the maritime disappearances. And of course there's the theory of human error and equipment malfunction, often overlooked in favor of more sensational explanations. Navigation mistakes, miscommunication, mechanical failures. These mundane factors can and have led to tragic incidents at sea and in the air. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle lies in its mystery, in the unanswered questions and unsolved disappearances. It's a testament to the unexplored depths of our own planet, a reminder that there are still corners of the Earth that remain shrouded in mystery, waiting to be discovered. While the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue us, it serves as a reminder of the vast, unexplored depths of our own planet.